Jake was stuck in a cubicle, making about $55,000 a year as an accountant, staring at spreadsheets all day. Then, he bought a vending machine for $2,000. Today, he runs a vending route across his city and earns well into six figures every year. And I'm about to show you 5 more businesses just as boring and just as powerful. One of them involves toilets. I'm serious.
Vending machines. Jake lived in Phoenix, Arizona. In 2017, he bought a used vending machine online. He placed it inside an office building near his apartment. First month, about $340 in profit. That's when he realized something. This wasn't beer money. This was a system. So he reinvested. 2 machines, then 5, then 20. Within 2 years, his vending income matched his salary. Today, he manages hundreds of machines with a small team. His role? Mostly logistics and oversight. Vending machines don't quit. They don't complain. They don't need benefits. They just quietly earn money around the clock. Self-storage. Next is Sarah, from Denver, Colorado. In 2015, she bought a small self-storage facility, just 40 units. Her friends didn't understand it. Why rent empty space? But Sarah understood people. People love buying things and hate getting rid of them. Most renters stayed far longer than planned. She reinvested the profits, bought another facility, then another. Today, she owns several locations and earns a strong 6-figure income each year. Her biggest challenge? Occasionally dealing with unpaid units. That's it. No inventory, no shipping, no seasonal demand. Just steady monthly rent. Laundromats. Then there's Mike, from Atlanta, Georgia. In 2018, he bought a rundown laundromat. Broken machines, bad lighting, no security. He upgraded everything. New washers, digital payments, better lighting. He even added Wi-Fi. Now, the business brings in consistent monthly cash flow. Why? Because laundry never stops. Recession? People wash clothes. Boom economy? Still laundry. Bad breakup? Definitely laundry. The machines do most of the work. Mike mostly monitors performance and maintenance. Dirty clothes are surprisingly reliable. Portable toilets. Now, let's talk about Tom, from Austin, Texas. In 2011, during a recession, he started renting portable toilets. Not glamorous, but necessary. Construction sites, events, outdoor weddings. Everywhere people gather, they need bathrooms. Tom started small, just a few units. He reinvested carefully, expanded slowly. Today, he operates hundreds of units and runs a profitable regional business. Is it pretty? No. Is it dependable? Absolutely. Some of the most stable money comes from solving uncomfortable problems. Parking lots. Next is Lisa, from Chicago. In 2016, she bought a small downtown parking lot. Nothing special, just concrete and paint. She installed automated payment, kept costs low, focused on location. Over time, the lot generated steady 5-figure monthly revenue with minimal staffing, minimal maintenance. She wasn't selling products. She was selling convenience. And people paid happily. Property management. Last is David, from Tampa, Florida. David doesn't own rental homes. He manages them. He collects rent, coordinates repairs, handles tenants, and earns a percentage. He started with fewer than 15 properties, learned systems, built processes, used software. Today, he manages hundreds of units and earns strong recurring income each year. His overhead stays low, his margins stay healthy, and his workload stays reasonable because systems do the heavy lifting. Core message: none of these businesses are exciting.
They won't impress strangers. They won't go viral. Nobody brags about owning laundromats. But they provide something better. Stability. Predictable income. Control over your time. The kind of money that lets you breathe. Mindset shift. Most people chase excitement, hot trends, quick wins, online hype. Smart builders chase systems. Reliable, repeatable, scalable systems. Because excitement creates stories. Systems create freedom. And boring builds wealth. So tell me, which of these would you actually consider starting? Vending? Storage? Parking? Property management? Drop it in the comments. And if you want more real money strategies without hype, subscribe to Max's Money Lab. Because getting rich quietly beats going broke loudly every time.